The last time you saw this flower bed is when I removed the euphorbias that were right here, and they completely just covered this whole flower bed. You couldn't see what was behind it. Now that video was a few weeks ago, so you could barely see the peonies coming up. I mean, everything has really taken off since that time. But I have a few issues with this flower bed that I want to discuss with you, and I want some ideas from you because, you know, I've tried everything and I don't know what else I can do. So one of my issues is this hosta. I hate slugs. They are like vampires. They sleep during the day and come out at night and suck the life out of your plant. Now, I put down Sluggo Plus. It doesn't seem to help. They just go right past it and munch on my hosta leaves. And I just recently tried beer. Somebody said bury the beer in the ground and you'll catch some slugs. Well, the only thing I've caught was some dirt and some leaves. So if you have any ideas what I can do to keep my hostas looking beautiful, I sure appreciate it. Also, over here, I have these boxwoods, and I heard that they're supposed to turn bronze in the winter time. Now, we had a couple of freezing days here in California, and the boxwoods are this color, but I thought they would green up by now, but I'm not sure if they have a disease or what, or if they're just dying. Because see, on the inside it's green. I did trim them up, but on the outside it's just bronze. Does anybody have any experience with those? One other thing I discovered when I took the euphorbias out, that my Japanese maple was dying back. It wasn't blooming. All the other trees are blooming, but this one wasn't. So I noticed that of course, we had those freezing days, and I noticed that a couple of the little twiggy branches at the end were dying, so we cut them off. And then I kept going over to the plant and scratching it, and it was hard and it was brown, so that died back. So my husband basically, we thought, well, maybe if we cut off the dead ends, it would grow back. I don't think it's gonna grow. I just think it's just gonna keep dying back. So it started at the tips and continued down the branches. I believe it's still green here. It was anyway. Maybe it isn't anymore. Maybe it is dead because it looks brown to me. Anyway, that might have to come out, and I'll have to plant something else there. The other thing is my edging. I hate to see a jagged edge. So Saturday I came out with the shovel and I started in edging the lawn, and then it rained on Sunday and I didn't get to it, and then Monday I had to work, so it just didn't happen. So today it's nice outside. I'm going to finish the job. So what I plan on doing is finishing the edging, making it a little bit more curvy there in front. And then I'm going to bury this edging in the ground and then cover it with rocks because I don't want to see this. So that's the plan. of there. Get out of there. Out of there, Remy. Come on, out. Out. Go. You're squishing my plants. Come on, go, go, out. There goes them irises. Go, go, go find another shady spot. You have your trusty helper by your side?
Right.
Just about to the end. So I'm about to go out to my front yard and rob Peter to pay Paul. Meaning I have rocks out front. We're going to be redoing the landscape in the front yard anyway. So I'm going to just take those rocks and use them in the back. Now the fun part starts. We get to start laying the rock. Hopefully we don't have to do much more than just lay the rock. Strategically place that big rock right there.
Yep.
You don't think we should have any, like, move it back and maybe put some greenery in front of it?
No, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
I don't think so. Why is it a bad idea? Because why?
The lawnmower will hit it. That's a bad idea.
No, I think you're just afraid that I'm going to go out and buy more plants.
I think you need to put some more rocks here, sucker.
That's a lot of rock. That's
Come
too
on,
much
man.
rock. Too much rock for this little flower bed.
No.
Let's save some for the other flower bed that we have to go all the way around the yard. Here it is, the finished product. I'm going to like it a lot better. We just put as many rocks as we can. They'll all settle in, of course. And I took the extra dirt and went along the front of it and tried to hide the edging as best that I could. But I think it looks a lot better. I probably have to take out my little Japanese maple because it's dying. And let me know what you think about the questions I asked you in the beginning of the video. So now that Steve's retired, he's going to be helping me a lot more in the yard. You know you love it. So what do you think about our job? Do you like it better or what?
It's fine and dandy.
You think?
Yep.
Okay, now you ready to do the whole yard?
Nope.
Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.